SHOT Show 2026 coverage is presented by 511 Tactical.
Don't let Joe Pesci see this gun. I think he'll break out into a cold sweat. We're looking at like the mob hit gun, but like the 2026 version from like every Scorsese film ever. Because it's a legendary host gun. We're talking about the Ruger Mark Series. You have a traditional American 22 pistol that's beloved, owned by probably millions of people, meeting Swiss technology and innovation from B&T, Levi. What am I looking at?
It's exactly what you said. We have a Mark IV here. What we're doing is we're turning this down to be a barrel that's less than 3 inches. So all the ammunition you're running out of this
It's going to be subsonic.
Yep. And of course, we have here our venerable Tiger 22 can, which has done very well for us in the market. You'll see it's almost a Tiger × 2. So we have this is turned down onto that barrel. It's a proprietary thread pitch for this suppressor to this gun. This will be coated in black. The whole gun will be sold as a kit. This front sight you see here as well is timed to the thread, so when you remove it, put it back on, it'll be aligned. There's no problem there. And of course, it's the Ruger 2245 profile, so it's still to be determined whether we'll include the rail on it, but as it stands, it is exactly what you said, that kind of very silent type operative inspired weapon.
Yeah, I mean, I think this is incredible. I think it's very well thought out. I can't wait to get one. I need to know a little bit more about the suppressor, assuming I don't know what the Tiger is. Yes. Tell me about it.
So the Tiger 22, it's a printed titanium, all single printed from the ground up as a single unit. So Tiger 22, normally it's half 28 threaded, smaller can. It's an auto 22 through 5.7 rated suppressor. Very good sounding can. It's done very well for us. This is just simply, essentially a longer version of it. The suppressor is user serviceable. If you do need to clean it, like you do with most 22 cans, they get pretty dirty. You can leave it in your sonic cleaner. You're not going to damage it. It's titanium. There's nothing you can do to it that it can't already take. So if you need to clean it, sonic cleaner, dunk it in your favorite cleaner, you're good to go. Unscrew it here for you to see.
You could have unscrewed this the whole time and you're just now doing it. I would have let you go without...
There's a little water pistol look in there.
Yeah.
So that's the suppressor. Very lightweight.
Oh, yeah. I mean, titanium, yeah, this like 4 ounces or something. Yep. I mean, this is basically nothing.
It weighs close to nothing.
Yeah, and then the gun itself, I mean, this still not very heavy, but probably 3 times as heavy as the suppressor. Yep. So when are we going to see this and how much is it going to cost?
This will be this year, and cost, retail is going to be right around $2,000.
Okay, I'm not kidding. I definitely need one of these. You know, we saw the just in case. I know that's going to be awesome, but really, this is kind of my sleeper pick here. Yeah. This looks like it's going to be incredible. So, Levi, thank you for walking us through it. Guys, stay tuned. We'll bring you more from SHOT Show 2026. Take care.